Join us for a day in the life of Tibetans, starting with a glimpse of their rich history and culture through the stories of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. A group of children and adults gathered around to listen to these fascinating tales. The bond between the community and their leaders. The museum traveled to various locations, sharing these precious stories. Each session was a celebration of Tibetan heritage. Amazing! Through these captivating stories, we gain a deeper understanding of Tibetan history and culture. Thanks for tuning in.
The ritual circumambulation of holy places 100 times. The prostration of pilgrimages made over hundreds of miles.
Come explore the traveling museum Tibet with me, where the rich history and culture of Tibet come to life. Here, we see people gathered around to celebrate the birthday of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. The posters and the cake are all part of the festivities. These posters show the importance of Tibetan culture. People gather to celebrate their history. The museum showcases many rare photos and artifacts. It was truly a journey through time and culture.